honoring nature and keeping the world in balance. The Pine rhythm movers dance as birds, graceful guardians of the sky who witness, honor, and protect the world that Sangre Denai defends. As birds, we carry the breath of freedom, the warmth of unity, and the quiet, powerful voice of nature, the very values cherished by Denaya, the fierce guardian of the Earth Gem. Known for her courage, her discipline, and a deep connection to the land, Denaya stands as a protector of life and balance in Encantadia. And with every sweep of our wings, every rise and fall of our movement, we echo the wind, the forest, and the living heartbeat of the earth. Through our dance, we stand with her, guarding harmony, honoring nature, and keeping the world in balance.